Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Ollama and Llama.cpp. Ollama is a user-friendly application built on top of Llama.cpp, designed to provide a graphical interface for interacting with large models LLMs like Llama 2, Mistral, and Llama. It allows users to run local LLMs on Windows 11 without relying on the command line, supporting features such as a multi-modal input with images and code files, and basic settings like adjusting the context window. Ollama is ideal for users who want a simple, privacy-focused, and easy-to-use solution for running AI models locally. Llama.cpp, on the other hand, is an open-source command line tool developed for efficient inference of LLAMA models across various hardware, including CPUs and GPUs. It is highly optimized for speed and memory efficiency, allowing advanced users to run large models with minimal RAM usage. Llama.cpp provides full control over model execution, hardware acceleration, and integration into other applications, making it suitable for developers who need fine-grained control and high performance. Overall, Ollama is best for users who prefer a graphical interface and quick setup for personal or lightweight projects, while Llama.cpp is better suited for advanced users and developers who require maximum performance, customization, and flexibility when working with local LLMs. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.